Hello, everyone, and welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new to my channel and you're just checking it out, make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe down below this video so that you can get a notification every time that I upload a video. For those of you who may not know who I am Shanay Hayes. I am an online, offline affiliate marketer. I've been on this journey since 2016. I was looking for an additional income. So I came here on YouTube to find different opportunities that I could look into. I found me a success coach, also a mentor, who I am following on this journey. And I've been on this journey with my mentor since 2016. And we just joined together in another opportunity that she launched this year, April 27th. So this year marks 2 months that I've been a part of this task-based opportunity. Now, what I want to talk to you guys today about is why people are failing online. I'm going to repeat that. Why people are failing online. So that goes for if you are an affiliate marketer and you've been doing this for a few years, or if you are new to the online thing and you haven't made any success within your journey of starting. The reason a lot of people are failing online is because number one, they are not branding themselves. Okay? I want to repeat that. They are not branding themselves. You have a lot of people who are online and they may feel like they're doing everything right, but they're not. We have people who use a lot of social media sites and you may go to their page and their page is not set up right. Number one, if you're using Facebook, Facebook is a big platform with millions of people on it. The money is there on Facebook, but how can you get that money to come to you? How can you get traffic to your website? Number one, your Facebook page needs to be set up the proper way. You need to have a cover letter, excuse me, not a cover letter. You need to have a cover photo in the back of your page so that people can see that you are a real person. And also another profile photo, which is clear, so that we can see you. People love greenery, like the outside. You can go around flowers and trees and stuff. Take pictures around that. Also, with opportunities. People connect with people and not opportunities. You have people who are a part of a lot of opportunities and they just throw their opportunities or their links out there. People don't want to just receive your link and you're thinking they're going to join because you have this link. No. Number one, you need to engage with your audience. You need to know what audience you are looking to engage with. So say your niche is online affiliate marketing and you're marketing a digital product. You want to look for people who are interested in working online and who wants to learn educational things and want to teach others the same thing. You don't want to have a digital product that you're presenting to people and you have an audience of fitness people. People don't want to look at that. They want people that are in their niche. Also, you do not want to have the snowball effect, which means that you are from opportunity to opportunity. You want to go from one opportunity and stick with that opportunity until you get that opportunity down pat. I once had the snowball effect where I was joining opportunity from opportunity. I didn't have a mentor. I didn't have no one to show me how to brand myself. I was branding the business. I was throwing my link in any work from home group on Facebook. And I would look at it and I'll say, well, no one's liking my posts. No one's trying to get information from me because I was doing it all wrong. Another thing I want to talk to you guys about is The comparison with the opportunity that I am with compared to the other opportunities that I may have been a part of or that I have seen other people a part of in the things that they do. This task-based opportunity that I am a part of, it teaches you how to brand yourself, like I talked about in the beginning of the video. It teaches you how to brand yourself. It also teaches you how to engage with your audience and what audience to look for. This platform is completely newbie friendly. It is step by step, teaching you one step at a time. So we're not rushing it. If you miss out on something, you can always go back to the trainings and you can watch those trainings. You can watch those webinars that we have every Wednesday. We also have a Facebook group where we invite our prospects so that they can check out the group and get a feel of what we are about before they decide that they want to jump in on this opportunity. They want to see if it's real. They want to see if there's any engagement with the people that are a part of the opportunity. And that is something that I did not see in a lot of programs that I was in. Programs that I've joined, I didn't see people in a group where you engage and you congratulate people on their success. I didn't have nobody to motivate me if I did something wrong or if I made a commission with my business. I didn't get a congratulations. I didn't get welcome in with warm open arms or anything. I was just there. My sponsor, I couldn't even find him. I have a mentor who I can literally go to if I'm stuck on something, or I have success coaches that I can go to and I can talk to them about whatever I am stuck on, or if I have a question, they're there to answer it. You don't have that in many programs. Like I said, you don't even have trainings or webinars available for you to go back and watch. Also, with this platform that I am a part of, we have a built-in website. You don't have that with many opportunities that you join because they want you to pay for your website on a separate on a separate little order. You're buying your own website, or you're going out and you're looking for someone to create your website. You're coming out of so much money. The sales funnel is also included into this website that you would have. Another thing with the platform that's included that I didn't see in a lot of platforms is the traffic. You don't get traffic with the opportunities that you are a part of. Even if they offered you a website, you might not have a funnel connected to your website. You don't have no one to close your sales for you. We completely have people to close our sales. We don't have to speak to no one. We don't even have to recruit no one. Our traffic is highly converted traffic for people who are looking to work from home and they're looking to join your opportunity. Also, what I wanted to run by you guys with the weekly webinars, we hold those on Wednesday at 7 Eastern time. So if you are looking for an opportunity that entails all of that, from the website to the sales funnel and traffic, this is the platform to join, guys. If you're on the fence about online marketing, affiliate marketing, MLM, just any work at home opportunity and you need help with that, come check out the opportunity to see how you can do things different in your business. Down below in the description, I will leave my website where you can check out what's all entailed in our opportunity. And you can also check out those packages to see what trainings is included in those packages. I will also leave the link down below to the Facebook group so that you can check out our community group and see the support there, the proof there, the great value there. And I will leave a link to my Facebook page so that you can connect with me and see how I am doing. Shoot me a message and I will surely get back to you guys. So today I want to say I hope everyone have an amazing, amazing day. I look forward to working with everyone, and let's take this thing to the top. 2020 is ours, and let's win, guys. Have a blessed and amazing day.